If you're replacing a kitchen sink basket, you're going to need adjustable pliers and plumber's putty. This is a pretty common style for a kitchen sink basket. It has a lock nut with tabs on the outside. A 12-inch adjustable pliers will allow you to tighten and loosen that lock nut, and this is a very versatile size for other projects around the house. A 16-inch adjustable pliers will fit completely around the nut, and this is the size you would need if you're replacing a 3-inch toilet flush valve. To keep the sink basket from turning while you're tightening the nut, you can use a sink basket strainer wrench. And this you would hold underneath while you're tightening this nut, and that's going to position your sink basket in the center of the opening and keep it from spinning. You could also have a helper put a pair of needle-nose pliers through the crossbars and hold it for you while you're tightening it from below, and you can put some electrical tape on the jaws to keep it from marring the crossbars. You're going to create a rope of plumber's putty, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch wide, to put underneath the flange all the way around the sink basket on the bottom, and this is going to be our gasket. Stain-free plumber's putty is the most versatile. This will work on any surface except ABS. It's more versatile than traditional plumber's putty.